funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. This is nothing special at all, but since I have the shoes here and I like them, so why not show you? So this is the Air Jordan 6 Georgetown, and very nice. No history behind them. We call them Georgetown because of the colors, gray and blue. But I really like the Air Jordan 6. They're one of my preferred Air Jordans to wear. I, for some reason, like gray sneakers. I don't know why actually, because gray sneakers are kind of rare. And I love suede shoes. So for me, this is very nice. And the suede was better. Oh, soft as well. This was absolutely better than expected. Nice. So soft with still the paper inside. Very soft suede. And real suede, not that numbuk thing. Really nice. Better than expected. I like the shoes because, as I said, Jordan 6s, gray and suede, and of course I like blue as well. But this was better than expected. I haven't seen a video or anything about them, which if you Google and search and you found this video, you have probably seen other better videos. So this is just my reaction of some of the shoes that I bought recently. But this was absolutely better than expected. Smells really nice, really soft in a suede. Just perfect with the long hair, short hair suede. Very nice. So I was happy before that I got them. Now I'm even more happy. I hope to wear them a lot. That's it for this video. Super happy. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Do you have them? What do you think about them? What do you think about them in general? Are they too boring for you? Let me know. Very nice.